Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 5 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x equals to 544, and we will solve this problem for the values of x. So in this problem I will introduce a nice method which is known as the reverse engineering method. So I hope so you will like this method and you enjoy this video. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we take here this 5 equals to a, and we take this 3 equals to b, and when we take the square on both of the sides of this term, then you will get here a squared equals to 25, and you get here b squared equals to 9. And now in the next step we will add or subtract these two values. So here you get a squared minus b squared equals to, we have a square and b square, so when you subtract these two equations, then you get here 25 minus 9. So we have 25 minus 9, so that we got a squared minus b squared equals to 16. So we name this as equation number 1. And similarly in the next step we will add these two terms. So you get here a squared plus b squared equals to 25 plus 9, and we get a squared plus b squared equals to 25 plus 9 is equals to 34, and we named this as equation number 2. And now when we put the value of a and b in the given equation, so we get the our given equation in this form: a to the power of x minus b to the power of x equals to 544, and we call this as equation number 3. And now in the next step we focus on equation number 3 in the right hand side, and you see that we have 544, and now we can find the prime factors of this number. So we first divide it by 2, and you get here 2 2s are 4, and we carry 1, and 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. So we again divide it by 2, and you obtain 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and we carry 1, and 2 6 are 12. We again divide it by 2, and you get 2 6 are 12 and carry 1, and 2 8s are 16. We divide it by 2, and you got here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and in the next step we divide it again by 2, and you get here 17, and 17 1s are 17. So now we find here the prime factors of 544 are, so here you have 2 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2, and we have 5 times of 2, and multiplied by 17 times of 17. And now in the next step we will write here we multiply, sorry, this is the 1 times of 17. So we write here we multiply the first 4 factors, and you get here 2 times of 2 4, 4 times of 2 8, 8 times of 2 is 16, multiplied by, here we remaining terms are 2 and 17, and we get here 34. So it means that 544 equals to 16 multiplied by 34. So now we put 544 by 16 multiplied by 34. So our equation number 3 becomes, in this form, and we got here a to the power of x minus b to the power of x equals to 16 multiplied by 34. And now you see here from equation number 2 and 3. So in equation number 2 we have 34, it is equals to a square plus b square, and we have in equation number 1 in which 16 equals to a square minus b square. So now we use these two values here. So here I can write or use from equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from equation number 1 we have 16 equals to a square minus b square. We will substitute this value in this equation and we get here a to the power of x minus b to the power of x equals to 16, and 16 equals to a squared minus b squared, and it is multiplied by 34, and in equation number 2 we have 34 equals to a squared plus b squared. So now we combine these two factors and we will get a squared minus b squared plus a square plus b square equals to a squared and its whole squared minus b squared and its whole squared. And now in the next step we need to take our little bit simplifications here, and we get a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4, and in the left hand side we have a to the power of x minus b to the power of x. So now here when we compare both of the sides, then you obtain a to the power of x equals to a to the power of 4, and we get b to the power of x equals to b to the power of 4. So in both of these cases we finally got the value of x equals to 4. So this is the our final answer of this problem. And now we check our answer. Is the value of x satisfied the given question statement or not? So to check, we substitute x equals to 4 in the given question statement. So our given question statement is 5 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x equals to 544. So now we plug in the value of x in this equation. So you get here 5 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 544. And now when we open 5 to the power of 4, then you obtain here 625 minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81, and this whole equals to 544. And now we subtract these two values here, 625 minus 81, so it is equals to 544 equals to 544. So this shows that x equals to 4, this x equals to 4 satisfy over this given question statement. And now this shows that x equals to 4 be the only solution of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.